Alright guys, in this video we are making pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. I found this recipe online and thought I would share this recipe with you. It's around fall time, and you know, I wanted to make this with my dad, and you know, to create new memories and try this new recipe. So I thought I'd share this with you guys, and you know, maybe you guys would like to try it yourselves, and I hope you guys like it. Hello guys, today is Saturday. We are baking some pumpkin spice cupcakes. We have the oil, we have the water and eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. And we got our
1/4 cup oil.
Okay. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
All right. So we are gonna put the liquids in here first.
And 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water, and I'm gonna put the dry ingredients in here. And let's get baking, hey guys. So this is, we're gonna mix until all of this is done. I'm gonna get the other whisk. So it's getting sweater ready. Who's excited for sweater weather? So this is spiced, of like pumpkin spice stuff, regular flour. I'll put all the ingredients in here, or you can get it out of the box. There's so many different things. We had semi-sweet dark chocolate, and we also have white chocolate that my daddy already microwaved a little bit of that, just if you wanted a little bit of white chocolate in here, just to make it a different taste. Now you can also put cream cheese in here. That's what I kind of wanted to do, but I'll do that next. Sorry about that. And then if you guys wanted to make this into a cream cheese, then I will also list that in there. All right. Do you want to go ahead and mix all that in there, Daddy? My daddy's a master. This is our favorite thing that we could do, to bake together, cook together. So I just thought it was a beautiful day today, and let's start the holiday, man. I'm in love with the fall, getting it, oh, the nice cool breeze. And who doesn't like pumpkin spice, or just pumpkin cheesecake, or whatever? Something good to smell the house with. Yummy nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla. Yummy. This is, my dad is putting the mixture into these cupcakes. It was already greased. We just lined them up with the cupcake liners. We're gonna go ahead and fill these up, and I'll get right back to you. We already put the preheated oven to 350. We already put it in there here. It's enough for these, for a dozen and 3. I'm gonna put it in the oven. and where it's going to be baked for about maybe 17-18 minutes or so, and we will check it out. But yeah, looks kind of yummy. All right, we're gonna put it in the oven. All right, so my dad's gonna show how to make our little icing. I got this brand. You can use whole milk or whatever milk that you want, but today I chose this one. All right, Daddy, let's make our icing. 1/4 cup, right?
1/4 cup.
Okay, so, and you can make as much as you want, or you can make a 1/2 cup. Let's do a 1/2 cup.
Then you
Right here? Right here. Always sanitize, absolutely. It depends on how much you're making. I usually put the powder first, then the liquids. Yeah. Powdered first, then the liquids in here. And then want to open this. Oh, this smells good.
How much powder?
A 1/4 cup. That would be fine. That cup would be fine.
Yeah, how much powder?
Yes, that's fine. Right, that cup. Yes, what you add.
1/4.
1/4, yes. Because we're just going to sprinkle it in the, on top. A little bit more. Okay. And if you guys need more, you want to put a drop? Yeah?
Oh, just drop?
Yeah, just a couple drops. Oops. God, that smells good. That Madagascar vanilla is delicious. And then we'll just add the milk. Not all of it right away. We can just whisk it. And if you guys want more, you guys can we can always add more. Look how pretty. Oh, don't worry. I know it's too liquidy. And we're gonna add more. Gentle, gentle. Now, if this is too liquidy, we can always add more powdered sugar.
Yeah, but with powdered sugar, then it'll be thickening.
We can add either pumpkin pie spice or ground cinnamon. So I'm just gonna add
If you're gonna stay milk, be using this, that'll be.
dash of cinnamon. What can we add? What would you recommend to add?
No, I don't go now. To use it, this is coming now.
That's whipping cream.
Yeah, you just whip it and make a body on it.
Oh, do you want to use a little bit of that? Yeah? Okay.
And instead of milk, we should use that.
Okay. See? This is why we always try different things. So my daddy wants to add, though, a little bit of whipping cream. Uh-oh. Yeah, that should be good. And go with your own flavors, guys. My dad's a chef, so he's always in a hurry. In the bowl, Daddy. In the bowl. Okay, so yes, it's still too liquidy. What do you think we should add to make it more, a little bit of more?
They want they don't be liquid. They don't be picking it. That's sugar.
All right, we will come back. Okay, so they've been in the oven for about 18 minutes, and we just put in the toothpicks. So right now they're resting. And yummy, yummy, yummy. And we just did the icing. We set that aside. So we're gonna wait until these cool down. I usually let them cool down for about 5, 6, maybe 10. No, maybe about 10 minutes, depends. And then I do the icing and stuff, and we'll get a chance to do that. Comment down below of what kind of muffins do you guys like to bake. I like to make, you know, different ones, but today, since the weather is really, really nice, I wanted something more like pumpkin spice, or you can also do carrot cake, or however, or whatever ones that you want. So comment down below which ones did you like to make. So these are my daddy's muffins. Anyways, and this is the icing. And usually what I do, I usually set it in the refrigerator for about maybe 2 minutes, just to get a little bit colder. 2 to 3 minutes maybe. That's just me. A lot of people don't do it, but I just do. Gosh, it smells so good from the Madagascar vanilla. Oh, it's delicious. What I did add is some ground cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice to here, some powdered sugar, a little bit of milk, heavy cream, and that honey Madagascar, and that's pretty much it. You can make a lot of different things with powdered sugar. You can use whole milk, whatever type that you want. To make it thicker, you can add whatever, just go very slow. Alright, I will come back when the muffins are completely cooled down. Okay. And you just drizzle, dab, however icing that you want. It's still gonna be a little warm, but just go with the gut, guys. I hope you guys enjoy yourselves, and I hope you enjoy the fall weather. Daddy, you want to try one and tell us what you think?
No.
Why don't you try one? Just try one.
You the cooking, you try one.
No, just try one, Daddy. See which one.
That's too hot, that's why
Yeah, just try it.
Mmm.
Yeah? It's good?
Yeah, they good taste.
All right. There you have it from the chef. All right, guys. Have a good one. Have a good one, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and tell us what kind of cupcakes you like to bake. All right. Stay blessed.